Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Updates. In today's video, we're going to look at the live radar, look at the UKV, have a look at the next 5 days, and look at the GFS, ECM, and you come out over the next 4 weeks. That'll take us to the last week of August, and I'll have that for you in a second. So make sure to like and subscribe, and it's in my Facebook now, and the link is in the description. So we do start off. If we do start off with the live radar, you can see it's been a fairly messy picture on the live radar here. We've got an area of frontal rain, not much rain, but quite persistent rain. That is obviously, well, it's leaving already, but been quite fast moving. It's been giving some fairly wet weather for the northeastern England especially, with some further showers and longer spells of rain to come later on today, with some heavier showers in Scotland. Unfortunately, not much of these are getting into the southeast. Most of them are just going to leave through the northeast. Maybe late in the week, we will see them getting a little bit closer to the southeast, hopefully. Now look at the UKV, have an adapted to the next 5 days, and precipitation. Again, it shows very well that that frontal rain is pushing northeast to an easterly direction. And the cloud will thin a little bit, maybe some sunny intervals at times, with patchy drizzle. But then the cloud thickens again, bringing some more showers and persistent rain at times overnight. For Monday, quite similar to picture, we've got another front band, so frontal rain pushing into the northwest. Could even be a bit heavy at times, pushing into northern England, and unfortunately does fizzle out a little as it gets to the southern England, but could still be a bit heavy at times and a bit persistent. And still some thick cloud and persistent rain in England. Now, Tuesday, a little bit grim, really. Plenty of showers around, not too heavy, though, and a bit a thicker cloud around. But that will thin and break throughout the day, but still could see some heavy showers at times. Wednesday, once again, quite a similar picture. Probably a day of sunshine and showers. We've got a lot of showers around. Some of these are quite heavy at times, actually. And that will push it to the west. And again, Wednesday is very, very similar to Thursday, but Thursday has more showers. Again, heavy, if not perhaps thundery showers at times, especially in the west, indicating by the colours it could be fairly quite sporadic and quite aggressive showers, let's say. Could have a lot of energy in them, if you know what I mean. So, we'll keep an eye on what these means. And then Friday, very similar, more showers to come. Not too much, not too bad actually, in terms of rainfall. Looking at the GFS, you can see a transient ridge is forming, then that breaks, bringing a frontal system in for Monday and Tuesday from the northwest. And a showery low pushes in from the northwest on Thursday. That could bring some unsettled weather to the northwest at times, and even to the south sometimes as well. And you can see throughout the week it brings a north to northwesterly airflow, bringing temperatures quite unsettled and cooler. Just a cooler, unsettled setup, really. But, there's tentative signals that high pressure will build in again next week. A bit of a transient ridge on the first week of September, so we'll have to keep an eye on that, because that will give another warm spell. ECM doing west, once again, we've got winds coming from the northwest, with low pressure systems from Wednesday, with a showery low at times. So this is a showery low pressure, basically, especially to the northwest. Could be quite unsettled there. And again, we still have a showery regime to the northwest, and a northwesterly wind, and a bit cooler than average at times, especially in the northern England, with a transient ridge at the end of the run from the east. Then looking at the UK and again, pressure weakens. We've got a northwesterly wind, low pressure, a showery low pressure is into the northwest, bringing northwesterly airflow and very cooler and very unsettled at times. And that kind of is showing by the colours. You can see a lot. That's a cooler air mass and a bit of a showery regime. Then it turns a tad bit warmer into next week. So definitely looking a bit cooler, a bit more showery into next week. And will it last? Well, we'll have to see. It could last until the very last stages of August. We could even see another ridge of high pressure build into the first week of September by the looks of it, especially by the GFS. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.